Welcome to my summer self-care routine. Let's be real. The heat, oily skin, tanning, and low energy can make this season feel exhausting sometimes. So in this video, I'm going to share my realistic summer self-care routine, along with my favorite summer tips and hacks that help me stay fresh, productive, hydrated, and glowing during hot days. So girls, hit the subscribe button to join our family. Ice facial. One thing I really enjoy during summer is doing ice facials. The heat can make my skin feel dull, oily, and tired, so using ice on my face instantly makes me feel fresh and relaxed. If you have sensitive skin, then don't apply ice directly on your face. Instead, wrap the ice in a cloth or tissue and gently apply it to your face for a maximum of 2 minutes. And trust me, after coming in from the heat, it feels so soothing and relaxing. Your face instantly looks fresh and glowing. And yes, doing this only 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough. DIY detan body mask? Tan during summer is honestly very common. Even if we stay indoors most of the time, our skin can still become tanned because of the heat and sun exposure. And honestly, completely avoiding tan during summer is almost impossible sometimes. So whenever my skin starts looking dull or tanned, I personally like following this simple homemade detan remedy because it works really nicely and makes the skin feel fresh and clean again. To make this, first I lightly roast some turmeric properly. Then I blend potato and tomato together and extract the juice. After that, I mix the potato and tomato juice with basin and roasted turmeric to make a smooth paste. Then I apply it onto my hands, legs, neck, and body, wherever I have tanning. And one important thing, I personally would not recommend applying this on the face. Once it becomes slightly semi-dry, I gently scrub and remove it. This works like a natural body scrub and also helps remove tan, making the skin feel smoother, cleaner, and more refreshed afterwards. Summer skincare routine? Having a proper skincare routine during summer is really important because the heat, sweat, and humidity can make our skin feel oily, dull, and uncomfortable very easily. A simple skincare routine works best during this season. I personally like following the basic steps: cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and sunscreen. First, cleansing helps remove sweat, dirt, and excess oil from the skin. Then, using a toner helps the skin feel fresh and hydrated. After that, moisturizing is also important because even during summer, our skin still needs hydration. I use the minimalist oil-free moisturizer. I would especially recommend this for people who have oily and combination skin because it feels extremely lightweight on the skin and doesn't make the face greasy at all. The texture is very light, comfortable, and honestly perfect for summer weather. And finally, sunscreen is a step that should never be skipped. Hydration. This is probably the most repeated and boring summer advice that we hear everywhere. Drink more water. But honestly, hydration is one of the most important things during summer because heat and sweating can make us feel tired, dehydrated, and low on energy very easily. And hydration doesn't give instant results overnight. But when you consistently drink enough water, it slowly helps your body and skin feel healthier naturally. If plain water feels boring, you can try detox water by adding lemon, cucumber, and mint. I also try to include water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumber, oranges, and coconut water in my diet because they help keep the body cool and hydrated during summer. Many of us forget to drink water regularly during the day, especially when we're busy. So one small habit that really helps is always keeping a water bottle with you. It reminds you to drink water more often, and slowly, your water intake also increases naturally throughout the day. DIY face detan mask. Summer heat can make our skin look dull, tanned, and uneven very easily. So whenever my face starts looking tired or less bright, this is one simple homemade face mask that I personally love using. I just mix roasted turmeric, basin, and curd together and apply it evenly on my face. After it dries, I wash it off properly with water. And honestly, my skin instantly looks much fresher, brighter, and naturally glowing afterwards. It's simple, affordable, and perfect for summer skincare. Sunscreen? Sunscreen is one of the most important steps of your summer skincare routine. During summer, our skin is constantly exposed to strong sunlight and heat, which can lead to tanning, sun damage, and dull-looking skin. That's why make sure to apply sunscreen every single day, even when you stay indoors. One sunscreen that I would personally recommend for summer is the Dot & Key sunscreen. It has SPF 50+, which is really important during summer because our skin is constantly exposed to strong sunlight and heat. So if you're looking for a good sunscreen for the summer season, then this is definitely one that I would recommend trying. Most of us usually focus only on our face, but our hands, legs, neck, and body are also exposed to sunlight every single day. Ignoring body sunscreen can lead to tanning, dryness, and sun damage, especially during hot summer weather. So using a good body sunscreen is just as important as using sunscreen on the face. So if you spend a lot of time outside or even travel during summer, then definitely don't forget to protect your body skin too. Summer diet. During summer, our body naturally feels more tired and dehydrated because of the heat. So eating the right kind of food becomes really important. Heavy, oily, and overly spicy foods can sometimes make us feel even more lazy and uncomfortable during hot weather. That's why, during summer, it's better to include more light, fresh, and water-rich foods in our diet. Seasonal fruits like watermelon, cucumber, mango, orange, lychee, and coconut water are honestly perfect for summer because they help keep the body cool, refreshed, and hydrated naturally. Foods like yogurt, smoothies, salads, and homemade light meals also feel much better during this season. And honestly, summer is the best time to enjoy cold fruits because they feel so refreshing and energizing. Hair mask. This is honestly one of my most favorite summer hair masks. Whenever my hair starts feeling dry, rough, or frizzy, this is the hair mask I always use. To make this, I first boil rice properly until it becomes soft. Then I mix it with aloe vera gel or curd and blend everything nicely to make a smooth hair mask. After that, I apply it all over my hair and leave it on for around 20-30 minutes before washing it off with shampoo. And honestly, after using this, my hair feels so much softer, smoother, and healthier. So this was my summer self-care routine. These are some simple self-care tips that help me feel fresh, healthy, and more comfortable during summer.